And can you introduce to customer how we control and check the quality?
Okay, first let me introduce this part. This one is it's called brake cylinder kits.
It's
Means,
one spare part inside.
Yes, inside. Here look like this. It used like this. This side here, like this. To use like this when it has a spring. When this fork pull in
Push it.
and yes, so it will
Work.
Yes, so it work like this. So the important part is this part. This one protects the product no leakage.
Okay, you mean the rubber.
Yes, this rubber.
And this is the piston.
Yes.
So you just tell us the piston and the rubber,
Rubber is
is
very
important
yes.
for the
parts.
for this complete.
Yes.
Okay.
And do you know how the some factory reduce their cost?
I'm not
for
very
this part.
clear.
Okay, let me tell you. One more method is change this material. You
The
can see
piston
this.
material.
Yes. This one is iron
Iron,
one. Yeah. Then some factories will change it to plastic material.
It's also work. Plastic.
Yes, it can work, but maybe this one can work 1 year. Plastic only several months, 2 months or 3 months.
But Nitoyo always use the
Good.
iron.
Yes.
So Nitoyo quality always
This
use
one, yeah.
the iron piston to control the quality.